Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on the video, on this video, and also on the channel. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is Blacksmiths Lane to Riverside Way. Let's look into this. We always do this, that we need to start from the green point and move towards the red point. So from here we can see we need to come down somewhere and then go towards the right side, just to give you some idea. Let's zoom in, and that's where we are. So we need to go down, so we just click on this and then we can come out from here. Let's just avoid the sidelines and then just follow this road. So keep going down from here. So we're just following the same road here. So follow this road, and when we get to this point, then I can zoom out just to see where exactly we are. So let's see. So the point is here, so we can go down from here. So come out from here and then go down. And there's a roundabout. From this roundabout we'll take the first exit. So we'll go up from here. So we can see that here we have two kind of mini roundabouts. So we'll do exactly the same thing here like we always do with this roundabout. So you just come here and then straight away you go here and then you just come down. Alright, so then just keep going straight. Straight from here. So from here again, just follow this arrow and then come down from here, and you can come down here. Then you need to just follow this arrow, come up, and then this is where our point is, so we can go this way. And simply just get into this street here, and then that's where our point is. Always click on the point when you get there. So this is another video, real exam question, so you can see the most direct route that we have got here. So again, it has come in the exam quite a few times, so make sure that you practice these questions as much as you can. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.